Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to open a demo account in Pocket Broker. Firstly, visit pocketoption.com and click on Create Demo Account button on the homepage. Type in your email address, create a strong password for your account. Now, select the standard account option. Set the amount of demo funds you want to start with, default $1,000, max $50,000. Click on Create Account to complete the setup and then you're in. You now have access to the Pocket Option demo trading platform with virtual cash to practice risk-free trading. You don't need to verify your identity or deposit money to use the demo account. It's perfect for beginners to explore the platform and test strategies. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.